Good morning. It is a new day. We just dropped our bags off at Bell Services to get transferred to Caribbean Beach because we are checking out of All-Star Music today. Peyton and I are up and ready. We are on the bus to Hollywood Studios so we can catch the Skyliner and do a little Skyliner morning, because then we are going to Animal Kingdom this afternoon, but we don't have lightning lanes until like 2 o'clock. So we're gonna go kind of do some resort hopping over there. So I'm excited for another day at Disney.
He's hanging out on the rock. You see him, he was climbing the rock and I turned around.
Way up there. Okay, we are doing the jungle trek at Animal Kingdom right now. We made it in. We went and did some shopping, but we've never done this jungle trek, so it's so fun. There's something way back there. You see it?
Looks like some kind of an ox or something.
Yeah.
You might see the water buffalo.
Oh, he's so cute. Okay, and there's Mom. You can see. It's not really very good. There's Mom. There he is. Oh my gosh, I'm so zoomed in. We just saw Basco. I don't know how you say his name, but he was so cute.
So he doesn't like the birds.
No. He looks cool. Look at his
He's got a
hands.
nubby like a wave.
This one looks like a mango.
It does. Whoa, bananas.
Okay, pin update. The ones we have on the bag are all dog themed almost. So I have this cute little black doggy that I traded for yesterday. I still have my Cruella that I got in my Villains pack. I have the Clogsworth pin that I got in my mystery pack yesterday. And then this morning I think I traded Jafar for my Jafar Villains pin for this cute little Dalmatians dog bone. Adorable. Then, last night, I guessed cast member trivia, and I got
Who
little...
guessed cast member trivia?
Well, Peyton got it. I did part of it. And so I got little St. Patrick's Donald. We still have the Dumbo ear hat. We traded for this really old Pirates pin that Peyton liked. This one I think is going to be a trader. It's just like a cast member outfit. I don't know. The cast member didn't even know what it was, so...
Space Mountain, maybe.
Yeah, probably a trader though.
I think that's Space Mountain.
I think this is gonna be a trader, and I also think Dumbo might be a trader. And then we just got this one this morning on a blind trade.
That is a red puffle
Yeah.
from Club Penguin.
I did not know what it was, but it's super old. I think, Peyton, you said it was like 2009.
09.
2009.
Yeah, that's a classic one.
So, we'll hold on to this one for a little bit too. So, quick pin update. I'm sweating a little bit. We got some ice waters, and then we got a beer to share because it's 12 o'clock now. We still have a little bit until lightning lanes start, but we're just kind of taking in Animal Kingdom vibes this morning. Check-in, we got a prickly pear margarita, and we did Flight of Passage. Incredible. We haven't done it in so long, but we are waiting for our lightning lane at Safari, and we've done a little bit of pin trading.
The crocodiles will also use water to regulate their body temperature. They're gonna
Just got off of Safari, and we got a teriyaki chicken salad and the biggest, best Diet Coke I've ever seen. Alright, you guys, we're gonna do a quick room tour. We just got to Caribbean Beach, so you walk in. We are in Trinidad, by the way, so you walk in, there's this huge mirror. Then we just got like the standard view with the 5th sleeper, so when you pull that down, it's all like, this is a new like Little Mermaid themed room. We have the Murphy bed here with this beautiful artwork, a pretty decent sized couch, a little coffee table. Then of course, welcome Allen family. And then I love like the wicker kind of very beachy design. And we do have a little mini fridge down here, a ton of storage space right there, and then we have a trash can. I think this is where our safe is, and then all this beautiful artwork detailing right here with our little coffee pot area. So then we'll flip around. There's like where I came in, and then we have our bed right here, and they gave us a little Mickey, and then this beautiful barn like sliding door. It's a very pretty light blue color. And then the bathroom, the tile is beautiful. We have a double sink, which Peyton and I have never had a double sink, I don't think. The mirror and the lighting is perfect. And we'll turn this way first. That same, you know, material for a huge closet. I say huge, bigger than the All-Stars or any value resort. And then we have a ton of storage over there. And then the bathroom, I think the shower is the same as what we just had at All-Stars. And then we have some cute little mermaid merch, or a cute little mermaid little picture and artwork right there. Here's the bathroom lighting. I am so excited to be in this little mermaid room. I think it is stunning. We again are in building 34, so that's Trinidad, and I am just so excited to be here. Peyton and I are back now from Animal Kingdom. We decided to not do our last few lightning lanes because they were rides that we were able to get on already, so we left right after we rode Mount Everest, and now we are going to, we just called down to get our luggage brought up here because it was a transfer from music. So we're gonna hopefully get that here shortly, get our swimsuits on, and head to the pool for just a little bit. Okay, we have a surprise. We are dressed very nice for dinner at California Grill at the Contemporary. And we have our reservations set for 9 o'clock, so right when Happily Ever After starts. We are so excited. I literally got tears in my eyes thinking about how excited I am because Peyton kind of surprised me with this today. So we are dressed all nice and ready to have dinner at California Grill.
Okay, Kaylee's not here, but I got the surf and turf roll. And she got that. Also with the wine here. Yes, looks delicious. She probably will. Yeah, but take video. We can take it.
Take it from yours.
That one is chocolate. Well, but it's
Alright, you guys, this is me editing this vlog, so this is future Kaylee coming at ya. But I did not close out this vlog because clearly you can tell my night kind of got away from us. We went up to California Grill to have dinner and watch the fireworks, and that is the most unreal view of the fireworks ever. It is so pretty. I cried the whole time, of course, but it was incredible. We did the whole prefixed dinner, and it honestly was so worth it to do it at least once. We probably won't do it every time, but it was just incredible. I have my mug that it says it's all about the fireworks, and this vlog is definitely all about the fireworks at the end. I also did a pin unboxing. We went and bought from, is it like Fantasia, the store in the Contemporary, before dinner because we had some time. And I bought a pin, like a mystery pack, and Peyton filmed it in slow motion. So there's no audio to it, so I didn't want to put in a full clip of me unboxing pins with no audio. So I got a little Maleficent pin, and then I got a droid from Wally, I think. Both of them are traders. You'll probably see them in a future vlog. So that is not in there either, and we ended up just getting back super late after, because our dinner reservation was at 9 o'clock when Happily Ever After was starting. So dinner ran super long, and then we were exhausted by the time we got back to the resort. So I just wanted to pop on and close out this vlog. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. We are in Universal this next vlog, so bye.